Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today the video is going to talk about shopping. Everybody loves to shop, and I'm going to show you the most effective way to shop for things on the internet. Let's say that I'm looking for batteries. The best rechargeable batteries to get are batteries that are called Eneloops. They're low self-discharge batteries. That means you can put them in your desk drawer for like a year and they'll only lose, I think, 25% of their charge. And you can recharge them, I think, 1,000 times. I'm not sure. Don't hold me to that. But they're great alternative to buying regular alkaline batteries that are just going to fill up landfills. But you want to get the best price on them. So how do you get the best price? Because as you can see, there's, all these different types and sizes and prices. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to understand exactly what you're looking for so that you're comparing apples to apples. So right now we're going to go to Monoprice. Monoprice is a pretty good site for getting inexpensive stuff. And in the case of a rechargeable battery, the most important thing is how many milliamps, which is basically the amount of charge that it can hold. And these are 2,000 milliamp batteries. There are 8 of them. So for 8 AA 2,000 milliamps, we have a baseline price of $23.99. So the next thing you want to do is open a new tab, and you always want to check out Amazon, because Amazon is really easy to deal with, and a lot of times the couple of dollars you might save by going somewhere else is outweighed by how easy it is to shop on Amazon. So we're going to look for the exact same thing. We're going to look for Eneloop AA's, and if you notice, these are 2100s, so they're going to be a little more expensive, or they might be more expensive because they're going to hold a larger charge. Now you're going to get 8 of them for 1867, and what do we have at the mono price? We had $23.99. So you can see that the Amazon price is better. Now once you have a kind of that idea of kind of the range, then one additional thing you can do, and if you notice, I'm clicking on this little plus sign. See these tabs I've opened? I don't have to open a new window or minimize a window or close a window. This little plus sign, I just click on that, gives me a new tab. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in, or actually watch this. You can copy that right there. So I just highlight it. I take my mouse and I put it to the left of the E, and I hold down the left mouse button, and then I just drag to the right, and then I right click on the highlighted text and I left click on copy. Then I go to the Google address bar here and I right click there, and then I left click on paste. And then on the lower right hand corner of most keyboards, you're going to see an enter key. If you tap that enter key, then it'll do what you want. And I could even then type in 8-pack, just so we're a little more focused. So then, do you see where it says shopping right there? What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on shopping. Now, it's going to show me, all right, so B&H has it for $18.35. They're probably going to charge shipping. Let's see here. Those are AAA's, $18.99. If you notice, we're not really seeing anything that's a 4-pack they want 18 bucks for. It does look like at this point that Amazon has the best price. That one comes with a charger, which we may not need, or you might, and that's what you would do a search for. So it looks like right now, for an 8-pack of AA 2100s, Amazon is going to give you the best price. And that's how you want to shop. You want to comparison shop using, I would always check, if it's tech, I would check Monoprice. I would always check Amazon no matter what it is, and then do a Google search. So let's say I'm going to do a search for something that's not tech related. Like, yeah, all right. Let's say I want sunglasses, okay? Uh, so if I'm looking for sunglasses, the first place I'm probably going to go to is Amazon. So in this case, I would probably just do an Amazon search for men's sunglasses. And then, I could narrow it down from there. And then once I found something that I liked, let's say what I really wanted was Wayfair, some Ray-Ban Wayfarers. So okay, there they are. All right, so $200 for some Ray-Ban Wayfarer RB. So all I got to really do is just copy that right there, and then so now I know what Amazon has it for. That's probably going to be a pretty good price. Um, then all I got to do is just do a Google Shopping, and wow, $65. Authentic glasses made in Italy. It's sold on eBay. You always want to be careful. eBay can give you some really good deals, but you always want to be careful if you see a price discrepancy that's that wild, that those might actually be counterfeit. So you have to be very careful with that, because if you notice over here, uh, that Saks has them for 120, Glasses USA for 146, Frames Direct for 153. So if you see something for 65 or $50, you just want to make sure or be careful, because those might be counterfeit. If it's too good to be true, it usually is. But eBay is a very good place to go if you're buying something and you know exactly what it is, and there's little chance that you're going to get a counterfeit. So if I'm searching for something like, a polo shirt, that might be counterfeited. But if I'm searching for something that is, you know, uh, like a number two pencil, right? Um, you don't really care what brand the number two pencil is. You just basically want a number two pencil. So then basically you type in number two pencil into eBay, and instead of best match, I usually go to lowest price plus shipping, lowest first, and there you go, $2 for that. But then again, also I would check on Amazon as well. That's basically how you shop online to get the best price. Also, I would recommend that if you shop online, even not a lot, but even just moderately, I would think about joining Amazon Prime, because Amazon Prime is a good deal. It's $120 a year, and you get 2 day shipping at no extra cost, and you get to watch Amazon's movie and television shows that they have on Amazon Prime. Oh, also, one other thing that I forgot to mention: never use a debit card on the internet. You can use a credit card all day long, because the federal government mandates that credit card companies offer fraud protection on credit cards, but on debit cards, you could be left swinging in the wind if somebody is able to hack your debit card and take all your money out of your bank account. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope the tutorial on how to use your Windows more effectively was of some help. I'll be doing more tutorials in the future. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And that's Dave Bensman from Bensman Home Computer Repair. Thank you very much.